Exploring the phrase, outside the circle. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across, outside the circle. This phrase can be quite colorful and meaningful, depending on the context in which it's used. We're going to explore its meanings, how to use it in sentences, and some examples to help you understand and use it confidently in your conversations and writing. Let's get started. Outside the circle refers to not being part of a specific group or not being included in a certain activity or discussion. This can be used both literally, such as not being physically in a group, or figuratively, to mean not being part of an inner group or excluded from private, privileged information or activities. In its literal sense, outside the circle might refer to someone physically standing apart from a group of people who are forming a circle. However, more interestingly, we often use it in a figurative sense. Here, it signifies exclusion from a group, not being privy to certain information, or not being included in decision-making processes. This usage is common in both personal and professional contexts. Let's look at some examples to see how outside the circle can be used in sentences. 1. Ever since I transferred to a new department, I've felt outside the circle. Here, it means feeling excluded from the new team. 2. In our book club, we try to ensure no one feels outside the circle, so we rotate who picks the book each month. This shows an effort to include everyone in the decision-making process. 3. Growing up in a small town, newcomers often feel outside the circle until they get to know everyone. Here, it describes the experience of not being part of a tight-knit community. Being outside the circle can be uncomfortable. Here are a few tips to make everyone feel included. Engage in open communication. Encourage sharing of thoughts and ideas from everyone. Create inclusive activities. Design activities that allow everyone to participate and contribute. Be mindful of body language and cues. These can often indicate when someone feels left out. Understanding the phrase, outside the circle, and its usage in English can help you better express feelings of exclusion or observe dynamics of inclusion and exclusion in various settings. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase and given you the tools to use it effectively in your English communication. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about conveying feelings and experiences. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.